Hey there, it's Bobby Legs, and welcome to another episode of Bobby Legs Loves Watches, and welcome to the unboxing video this week. I got a couple of boxes coming in from some great guys. Let's try this first one out here. This one is from my buddy Nilo, and I'll put his Instagram handle here. Whoa. Yep, okay. And so I picked up recently, as you guys know, the Sinn U1, and my buddy here, Nilo, was like, I have a U1. Would you like to do a comparison? And I was like, of course I would. That would make a great video. I'm sure it's been done already, but not by me. So let's take a look at this U1. I haven't seen a U1 in such a long time. And now that I'm so used to wearing the U1, I'm wondering how the U1 is gonna play with me visually. So let's take a look here. Excelente. Oh yeah, awesome. Now this is an older one. This is back when the U1s came fitted with the ETA 2824. So let me just pop this off here. Wow, still looks good. I mean, this watch is over 10 years old, I think. And it still looks pretty good. Yeah, wow, that tegmented technology really does a good job here. Wow, let me put this on wrist. I think Neil's got a little bit bigger wrist than I do. Okay, let's, wow, that's still awesome. I can still rock this size, no problem at all. Wow, looks so cool. I don't have my U1 on today. I should have put it on, but I'm about to do some work outside with a chainsaw, and so wearing my G-Shock today. Wow, cool looking watch. Even at the bigger size, no matter what size this watch comes in, right? The U1, the 43 or 44 millimeter case diameter, or the U1 at the 41, they just both look really awesome. So let me put this back on wrist. On the on wrist in the box. And looking forward to doing a review, because other than the movement, I don't think much has changed with the U1 over the years. Review and then comparison video. Now I got this other box here from my buddy Ross. I think this is another German watch coming in. This is taped really well, so it may take me a little while. If that's the case, I will fast forward the video. Okay, so I just paused the video while I was unwrapping. And so he's got here, first time on the channel, a Hanhart. Looking forward to this one. He sent me the pictures. It looked so cool. Oh, wow. Yeah. Look how awesome this guy looks. So cool, man. So awesome. Oh yeah, syringe hands. I love the syringe hands on these watches. Bronze watch, definitely has some patina on it. Greenish dial, very cool. Let me put this on wrist. Looks like a big guy here. Wow, I mean, just super awesome. Oh yeah, look at that thing. So cool. Oh man, this is awesome. Very legible. Just a really good looking watch. I've toyed with the idea of buying a bronze watch. I just don't know personally if it'll get a lot of wear and would sit in my collection box, my watch box. Not getting much wrist time. But I don't know. I'm gonna wear this for a few days, maybe a week or so, and then we'll see. Holy cow! He also sent in, he told me he was gonna send in some some EDC stuff. Holy cow. Oh man, this is awesome. So he sent a Kizer. What is this? A blade camo handle. Let's take a look here. Oh, this is awesome. Is this a mini sheepdog? Is that what this is? Hold on here. Oh yeah, it is. Oh, this is great. Holy cow. Oh, I love it. I love my sheepdog. I have the medium sized one, and this is a mini one, and I just love that digi camo. Oh, that is so awesome. Holy cow, that's great. Okay. Oh man, he sent some more stuff. Oh, what is this? Is this like a ply bar? A pry bar? Yeah. Awesome. Whoa, look at that. That is so cool. Ross, man, this is amazing. Amazing stuff. Another pry bar here. Oh my God, some cold steel knives? Are you kidding me? I mean, I think he sent this in. Holy cow. Look at this thing. Oh my God. This may be the... Holy cow. Dude, Mrs. Legs is not going to be happy if she sees any of these. This thing is huge. Holy mackerel. Oh my God. How do I close this thing? Oh boy. Oh boy. Oh boy. Well, good thing the kids are watching TV. Another cold steel. Holy cow. Wow. This is going to be a long video, guys. Sorry. But this is just awesome. Awesome stuff. Oh my God. Great. Oh man, this is... Oh man. I am so geeking out right now. I never handled any cold steels before. So, look at this thing. Holy cow, what the? Oh my God. Oh man. This thing, okay, all right. As you can tell, I'm a little blown away here with what's going on. This is unexpected. He said he was going to send some EDC stuff for me to check out, but this is just bananas. Thanks, Ross, and thanks, Nilo, for sending these great watches and knives. And I'll see you guys in the next video.